Hey guys, Artem here from Safety Restore. I want to talk a little bit about seatbelts. I'm here at my friend's Junkyard. You can see hundreds of cars. And if you're working with a salvage car or a car that's been in an accident, you're probably looking for seatbelts. Why are you looking for seatbelts? When a car gets into an accident, seatbelts lock up. Airbags deploy, seatbelts get locked up, and you get something like this. Seatbelt's hanging, needs repair, and you're done. So if you're trying to save a little bit and you're going eBay or wherever, car parts, and you're trying to find a used seatbelt from a junkyard, chances are, not only is it going to be hard to find that specific color you're looking for, but it's already going to be locked up. Well, here at Safety Restore, what we do is we repair your seatbelt. So if it's blown, or even check this one out right here. The seatbelt's all frayed and things like that. We can replace the webbing. We'll obviously replace the pyrotechnic device, making sure that thing works again. But the best thing of all, it's a one-stop shop for everything. So at Safety Restore, not only can we repair your seatbelt, we'll reset the SRS airbag module. So if your airbag's deployed, you got an airbag light on, send in that module as well. We clear all the crash data and hard codes after accident. Forget junkyards, forget any used parts, stop, anything like that. It's just, you're gonna get problems and then you're gonna end up going with us anyway. So skip that part, go to safetyrestore.com and save.